everyone, in the last video we have discussed about the in-order traversal. In this video we'll talk about the post-order traversal. Let's start. So you can see that we have already discussed about pre-order, in-order traversal. Now we'll talk about the post-order traversal. So in post-order traversal, at last we will visit our route. At first we'll traverse the left subtree, then we'll traverse the right subtree, then at last we'll traverse the route. So at first we'll traverse left, then right, then route. So can you tell me that what will be the output for this post-order traversal? So if you can assume that what will be the output, just pause this video and write in the chat section. So if you know what is post-order traversal, just check my output with yours. So in post-order traversal, at first we'll print the left, then we'll print the right, then we'll print the mid or root. So at first we'll go here, then we'll go here. So left, right, root. So we'll go here, then we'll go to the left of the B. So we'll print D. Now left is done. Now we have to go for the right. So E is also done. We have printed the right value. Now what we'll do, we'll print the root, that is B. So we have successfully accessed our left subtree. Now what we'll do, we won't go for the root, because at first we'll go for the left, then right, and at last root. Now we'll go for this subtree C. Then what we'll do, we'll go for F. Then what we'll print? We'll print G or C. Just pause this video and write in the comment section. So now what we'll do, we'll just print G, because left, right, then root. So left is done, right is done, then root, that is C. Now for the main tree, we have accessed the left subtree, we have accessed the right subtree. Now what we'll do, we'll print the root node. So that is A. So you can see that we have successfully got the output for the post-order traversal. So I think this portion is clear. If you have any doubt, just write in the comment section. So now we'll see that what will be the code. So we have declared a function that is post order. At first we have checked that h is null or not. Then what we'll do, we'll recursively call the post order function with the left node. Then we'll recursively call the right. At last we'll print the root. So let me write on this. At first we'll go for A, then we'll call B. Then when we'll come here, then we'll go for the left of the B, that is D. So D doesn't have anything at its left and right, so we'll simply print D. Now the control will go here, then we'll call the right of the B, that is E. E also doesn't have anything at its left and at its right. Now what we'll do, we'll print E. Now the control will go for the B. Now we have successfully printed D and E. Now what we'll do, we'll access B. Now what it will do, it will give the control to A. So we have successfully traversed the left subtree. Now we'll go for the right subtree of A. Now it will go for C. Now what C has at its left, that is F. Now we'll go for the F left, that is null, F right, that is also null. Then we'll print F. Then the control will go to C, then we'll call right of C, that is G. Then we'll go for the G is left, that is null, G is right, that is null. Then we'll print G. The control will go to C because we have successfully printed left and right. Now we'll go for the root, that is C. Then we'll print C. So now the control will go to A. So for A, we have successfully traversed the left subtree and right subtree. Now we'll print the value of A. So you can see that this will be our output D, E, B, F, G, C, A. So I think this portion is clear. Now we'll start with the hands-on. So you can see that at first we have declared the header file, then there is the structure for the tree, this is the create node function, and this is the post order function. So at first we are checking that h is null or not, then we are going for the left, then we are going for the right, and at last we are printing the data of the root node. So let me compile the code. So what will be the post order traversal for this tree, it will be 100, 200. So what you have to write here, we have to write post. So let me compile this code. 10, 100, 200. So you can see that we have got the output, that is 100, 200, 10. So we have got our expected output. So I think this portion is clear that how we can perform the post order traversal in a binary tree. If you have any doubt, just write in the comment section. See you in the next video.